Alright, crypto fam, let's get straight to it. For what felt like an eternity, Cardano was stuck in this brutal, long-term descending channel pattern. But in the last week, something incredible happened. ADA didn't just touch that upper boundary of the channel, it breached it. We're talking a massive 26% surge in a single week, with another 2.67% tacked on in just the last 24 hours as I record this. This isn't just a small bounce. This is a textbook, bullish breakout, a classic technical signal that we could be looking at the start of a significant rally. Now, for those of you who've been with me for a while, you know I don't just throw around terms like bullish breakout lightly. But here's where the tension really builds. Because while the breakout is undeniable, there's a formidable guardian standing directly in ADA's path, a level that has rejected it before, a true test of this newfound momentum. So, what's the big hurdle? What's keeping me on the edge of my seat, and what should you, as shrewd Cardano investors, be watching with an eagle eye? It's this precise price point, $0.7468. This isn't just a random number, folks. They slammed the door shut, preventing a decisive daily close above this crucial resistance. The last time ADA traded sustainably above $0.74 was back in mid-May, before that nasty correction dragged us down to 0.50. Here's the scary part. If ADA fails to definitively break and hold above 0.7468, we could see a quick reversal. But here's the flip side, and this is where the excitement truly builds. If the current momentum holds, if the bulls, the buyers, manage to smash through 0.7468 with conviction and establish it as new support, then the floodgates could open. This is the kind of cryptocurrency price action that generates massive buzz and brings in fresh capital. Let's look at this. Daily active users, or DAU, on Cardano have surged to 27,000. Think about that. This isn't just a slight increase, this marks a fresh high since late May. What does that mean? It means more people are actively using the Cardano blockchain. They're engaging with dApps, they're sending transactions, they're exploring the ecosystem. And it's not just DAU. Transaction count also jumped, climbing above 38,000, another multi-month peak. When more users are actively transacting, it signals a healthy, growing network, and that fundamentally strengthens the case for continued price appreciation. But wait, there's more. Beyond active users, there's another set of powerful indicators screaming buy right now. To truly validate this move, we need to see the institutional and smart money flowing in. For you new traders, the ADX tells us the strength of a trend. It's not about direction, it's about strength. And right now, ADA's ADX has hit 27.64. Historically, any ADX reading above 25 confirms that a strong, reliable directional trend is forming. But it gets even better. Take a look at the Money Flow Index, or MFI. The MFI is essentially a volume-weighted RSI, showing us the rate at which money is flowing into or out of an asset. And ADA's MFI is sitting at a scorching 73.64. This isn't retail FOMO alone. This suggests significant Cardano liquidity and institutional interest are building. This is why the community has been buzzing for weeks, even after some consolidation and price warnings. This is why ADA has registered that phenomenal 30% weekly surge. While some in the community raised concerns about potential sell-off pressure, the overarching narrative is clear. Cardano is serious about expanding its utility, its DeFi capabilities, and its overall presence in the crypto landscape. We've seen ADA outperforming giants like XRP and Hype on a weekly scale with its nearly 30% gains. This isn't just a flash in the pan. This is a fundamental shift in momentum backed by strong on-chain metrics and compelling technical setups. And frankly, considering Cardano's long-term vision, its robust development, and its growing community, $1.22 could just be the beginning. We could be talking about breaking new all-time highs in the next bull cycle. What do you think? Is Cardano finally ready for its next parabolic move? Will we see that $1.22 target or even push higher? Let me know in the comments below. Your insights are always incredibly valuable to this community. If you found this analysis insightful, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto markets, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next urgent update. Because in crypto, timing is everything. And just a quick but important reminder, I am not a financial advisor. All content in this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only, and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and inherently risky. You could lose all or a substantial portion of your investment. Always do your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose.